Stan Gibilisco here, introducing a new playlist of supplemental videos for my book Making Everyday Electronics Work, released in the late summer of 2013, published by McGraw-Hill by yours truly, Stan Gibilisco. Here's my essential data, sciencewriter.net, my website. The title of this playlist, Everyday Electronics Miscellany. Just some clarifications, edifications, enlightenments, and amusements in relation to this particular consumer-oriented book. Now, when I say consumer-oriented, I should add the caveat, you do need a little bit of technical savvy in order to understand the material in this book. Not a lot, but as for people who have never seen anything electrical before, who don't know how many electronic technicians it takes to replace a light bulb, you might have a little bit of trouble with some of the more theoretical material in this book, but by and large, this book should be useful for anybody who wants to get a more enriching experience out of their everyday electronics hardware. It covers all manner of topics. This particular book starts out with basic electronics, goes into tools that you can use to test simple electrical appliances, describes how house wiring works in the United States particularly, goes into alternative electricity methods such as solar, wind, and hydro, gets into the electronics in your vehicle, your truck, your small truck, your light truck, your pickup, like old number 7, my venerable Chevy S10 2003, 10 years old now, Chevy S10, old number 7, home entertainment like stereos and home theater and things like that, how to keep wireless devices cooperating with each other instead of competing, and finally a few little experiments and suggestions for furthering your electronics experience in everyday life. And it really is everyday electronics, but it applies particularly in the United States. In some countries, some of the data in this book will not apply because the outlets may look a little different, the voltages may be a little different, although this book does have a comprehensive table of, well, it includes a glossary at the end also, and it includes a table showing the voltages and line frequencies for electricity, utility electricity in many, many countries throughout the world. So again, sciencewriter.net is my website. You can find this book there, and you can find links to Amazon.com for most of my other books, some of which aren't even in print anymore, but you can get them if you try hard enough, if you really want them. Everyday Electronics Miscellany. I will keep evolving these videos, and if you have any suggestions for topics that you'd like to see in this playlist, send me an email. You can get it by going to my website, going down to the bottom, clicking on the mailbox link. Stan Gibilisco signing off from the Black Hills of Dakota Territory, United States of America. Enjoy these videos as they evolve.